Unlocking the nuance of personally, I think, in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the beautiful intricacies of the English language. Today, we're exploring a common but powerful phrase, personally, I think. This expression is not just about sharing your thoughts, it's about doing so with a personal touch. Let's unravel its meaning, usage, and the subtle nuances that can help you sound more like a native speaker. At first glance, personally, I think, seems straightforward. It's a phrase we use to introduce our opinion or perspective on a matter. But why add personally? The key here is emphasis on subjectivity. By using personally, you're highlighting that the following opinion is yours alone, potentially different from others. It adds a layer of humility, suggesting that you're aware your view is one among many. This phrase shines in discussions where varied opinions are expected or encouraged. It's particularly useful in debates, when presenting an argument that may not be universally accepted. Sensitive topics, to soften statements and acknowledge the presence of diverse views. Creative critiques, offering personal feedback without appearing too authoritative. Remember, while personally, I think, is a great opener for sharing opinions, it's best used sparingly to avoid sounding overly tentative or uncertain. To add variety to your English, consider these alternatives. In my opinion, another classic way to introduce personal viewpoints. I believe that, slightly stronger than, I think, showing a higher level of conviction. From my perspective, highlights your unique viewpoint shaped by personal experiences. Mixing these phrases into your conversations can make your English sound more fluent and engaging. Let's see, personally, I think, in action. Agreeing, personally, I think that's a fantastic idea. It aligns perfectly with our goals. Disagreeing, personally, I think we might be overlooking some potential risks here. Neutral, personally, I think both options have their merits. It's hard to choose. Practicing with these examples can help you grasp the nuances of expressing personal opinions in English. Personally, I think, is more than just a phrase. It's a tool for effective and respectful communication. By using it wisely, you can share your thoughts in a way that's considerate of others' perspectives. We hope this video has enriched your understanding and use of this expression. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.